How to open Bank of America account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to open Bank of America account online. Without further ado, let's begin. Open any web browser and click on the search bar at top of your screen. Now type in bankofamerica.com. Press enter on your keyboard and click on the reload option, and after that you will land on the official interface of Bank of America. If you already have an account, you can enter your user ID and password in order to log in. If you are new, you can easily click Open an account at bottom left corner of your screen. Then you can easily choose an account type. Browse through different checking and saving account options, and you can easily compare the features, fees and benefits, and then click on Get Started or Open account for your preferred option. For now, let me choose checking and savings. So click on Get Started button. After that, you need to enter any offer code if available. If you are an existing online banking customer, you can easily select yes for pre-fill details and click on Go to Application. So simply click on Go to Application button at bottom left corner of your screen. On this section, you need to enter your personal info, that is your name, birth date, fill contact details, that is your address, phone and email, and confirm citizenship and employment status. After that, you simply need to enter a co-applicant if needed and click on continue button. And once you have completed the procedures, you need to choose your account preferences, read and accept the terms and conditions, and submit your application. Once verified by Bank of America, your account will be successfully created. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.